The Sony a6700 bundle kit is an excellent choice for photographers looking for a comprehensive package, complete with a versatile 18 to 135mm lens and a variety of useful accessories. This camera is powered by the advanced 26-megapixel back-illuminated Exmor R CMOS sensor and BIONZ XR processor, which provide outstanding image quality and performance. With a continuous shooting speed of 11 frames per second and the ability to capture UHD 4K video oversampled from 6K, it is perfect for creative professionals who demand high performance. The bundle includes essential accessories such as an extra battery, charger kit, and a weatherproof card case, ensuring that you are always prepared for extended shooting sessions. The Sony a6700 offers a wide array of color rendering options and compressions, including the latest high-efficiency image file format for superior still photography. Its lightweight design and the inclusion of the E18 to 135mm f3.5 to 5.6 OSS lens make it an ideal companion for travel and versatile shooting scenarios.